My name is Ngalim Franklin. I'm a grassroots environmentalist and teacher.
I'm green, you're green, we are green, yeah. Let's join our hands and we paint the world. Green, go green. I'm green, you're green, we are green, yeah.
You might ask what does it mean to go green? I'll explain to you the concept as I quickly intervene. Going green simply means we gotta keep the earth clean. Can't waste away the world, we need sustainability. We can't be polluting all the forests and the streams, or smogging up the air by burning too much gasoline, or dumping all our waste into the oceans and the seas, and killing all the animals from our toxicity. Nah, look at the earth, ain't gotta just take it from me. All of the garbage we create is about the earth down to her knees, begging please.
We are adventure. We will plant trees for forests.
The fever, yeah, it's too many degrees, so you see, it's obscene, we gotta change dramatically. Truly going green will take all of humanity, let's come together.